Hey guys, Brian Gleis here from the Scott Insurance Agency, doing the second installment of our video about doing business locally. Joining me today is Miss Meredith and Scott Hart from Hart Collision and Custom. How's it going, guys?
Good, good.
Well, we want to say right off the bat our backdrop here. Scott hasn't started on this yet, but it's a 1936 fire truck from Perry, Missouri. It's in their lobby, and it's just a fantastic piece of history. But guys, we're here today to talk about small business owners. You guys know a little bit about that.
Yes.
And when we say small business, it's truly a family business, guys. Whenever I come in here sometimes, I see little hearts.
Daily.
Running around. So the Scott Agency wants to support local businesses as much as we possibly can. And sometimes we have the opportunity to do that via insurance and help the small business owner survive certain perils that may come their way using insurance. You two guys have the unique opportunity to help me on a daily basis. Tell us just a little bit about what you do here at Hart Collision and Custom.
We are a family-owned, obviously, like Brian said, auto collision custom shop. We are here to serve our area in a multitude of ways. If there were an accident, the procedures to go from crash scene to completed repairs, walking you through lingo that insurance companies use to kind of make sense of everything, and customer service, quality repairs,
Car rental, getting you in rental.
getting every aspect of excuse me, the repair process laid down, made sense in layman terms. Yes, so it's easy for everybody to understand and everybody to kind of know what to expect coming their way.
And that is so key, because when a client calls me and there's just been an accident, their stress level is about at a 12. And then what do I do on many occasions? I say, I know somebody that can help. I now send that stressed out client to Scott and Meredith. They walk into the front door, Meredith welcomes them, Meredith says everything's gonna be okay, and then Scott does a deep dive into the details. So one of the things that you do is you bring that bad day and you give them a sense that everything's going to be okay.
Sure.
And I rely on your expertise to do that, because all we know is that we have a banged up piece of metal in front of us. And you are running the business, and you've got this artist, and I truly am going to call you an artist, because you repair what's wrong like it never happened. When my customer goes and picks that car up, you know, it's absolutely amazing. So Scott, tell us a little bit about the claims process. Tell us how you talk to the claims adjuster, the type of services that you provide, from photos to estimates and those types of things.
Sure. So unfortunately, most of my insurance claim contacts, the customer who owns the vehicle, is our first contact is usually based upon a bad situation. So that's usually how I meet most people, but it's not a bad situation because of the way we meet. Is just because it's been an accident and things like that. So the first thing, make sure everybody's safe and hopefully nobody gets hurt. Get a police report, always. If it's on private property, like in Walmart parking lot or McDonald's, a lot of times they won't do them and they don't share their surveillance. So if you can get a phone number and actually a photo, if somebody backs into your car, literally them touching, pictures, license plate, license, just a driver's license, a picture of any information you can have. And then if it is going to be something they're going to pay out of pocket on, or if they're going to make an insurance claim, get that information. You may have to wait a week to get the police report, because sometimes they don't convey it to you right then. Get the police report and contact the insurance company, and you can make a claim on someone else's policy even if they haven't reported it yet, if they're at fault.
I love this guy. Yep, that is so very true.
Yeah.
And
it's not telling on anybody, it's just getting the ball rolling that's going to roll either way. So
correct, because my client's world has been interrupted when that accident's happened. And Scott not only just hit on the auto body and repair side, he hit on the insurance side. And that's the beautiful part about it is that he knows how to take that situation. And it's a pleasure for me to work with Scott whenever I can. But I know whatever insurance agency Scott is working with, Scott automatically faxes me a copy of the estimate. He works directly with the adjuster. If there's supplemental claims, a supplemental claim is that Scott can come and he can look at the car and he can see superficially what's wrong and write that estimate. But when he gets that car apart, he can find more items in there. Scott takes care of all of those things.
Yep.
Now then, let's say my car's not wrecked and I just want to do something super cool. All right?
Sure.
You're not opposed to helping people with that, are you?
correct. Yes, we're open to any new ideas, things we've done in the past, or fresh ideas that customers can come up with, because anything automotive can be pretty wild and fit in and really stand out in the parking lot.
Yes, yes. And you know, I'm an insurance agent, you're an auto body guy. When it was time for me to do a little bit of auto body stuff, and it wasn't auto body, it was a dash cam, a forward-facing cam and a rear-facing cam. And it came with this little tool. And the video said, you just take all your upholstery apart with this tool, put your wires in there, and everything will be fine. Well, I can tell you that terrified me. So something as small as that, Scott, and the way they routed those wires just blew my mind as far as that goes. So it's super fantastic. Scott, tell everybody where you're located at.
We are 1302 East Veterans Memorial Parkway in Truesdale, Missouri, 63380. Service Road, our phone number, 636-377-1665. And what is our Facebook and
Our
website?
website is hartcollision.com.
And I'm going to put in text message right up below this your website, your Facebook site, and all your phone numbers. We're going to hook you guys up with the contacts. And guys, my name's Brian Gleis with the Scott Agency. We're at 604 East Veterans Memorial Parkway. Just happened to be right down the road from Hart Collision and Custom. And our phone number is 636-456-8633. The Scott Agency is a 3-generation family-owned company. The Hart Collision and Custom, I always get it reversed.
That's all right.
But the Hart Collision and Custom, also family-owned. These series of videos is just to support our local community. Guys, thank you so much for what you do for my clients.
We
Sure.
appreciate
Thank
you.
you.
We couldn't do without you, because we call Brian many times. Brian, help with this. Help me with that. What does this mean? And he is always there to help us.
And that's what's fun. And the reason, and I'm just going to brag on you one more time before we end this video, the reason why you're so successful is because good enough isn't all right for you. And that's one of the reasons.
Sure.
It's one of the reasons why I call you an artist, because I have seen things where I have said, I didn't even know that was a problem, you know. But your eye is trained, and Meredith, I've come in here and you're covered with paperwork, you're covered with keys, you've got 2 people at the counter, and you're keeping the wolves at bay, while Scott and the other gentlemen out back are getting product out the door.
We have a great team. Guys out there in the shop. We couldn't do it without them.
And when we talk about the guys out there in the shop, whenever I come here, there is consistency on what I see from the guys out in the shop. You probably tell them that I'm here, and that's the reason why they're always on task whenever I go out there. But the facility here is large, and you guys won't know that. But no matter where the guys are at in the facility, when I walk around the corner, they are diligently getting after it. And I know that's what makes you guys successful.
Sure.
You treat your employees well, you treat your customers well. Scott Agency has that exact same philosophy. So guys, thank you so much. Scott, throw your phone number out one more time.
636-377-1665.
Guys, support your local businesses. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Be
Bye-bye.
safe.